Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health Officer here at BGSU with our weekly COVID-19 update. So we've been watching the numbers, and over this last week's reporting period, we have seen a slight increase in cases from the previous couple weeks, and we need to be mindful of this. It wasn't a huge increase, but it was enough for us to kind of start taking notice as we look over the next couple weeks. We expected to see this on some levels with the increases across Wood County and across Ohio, but we want to make sure we're staying as safe as possible as we approach these next couple weeks and the Thanksgiving holiday. We want to make sure that we're coming up with a plan so that we're all going home safely to spend time with our friends and family. We can do this through keeping our social circles small over these next couple weeks, continuing to wear face coverings, and when we do socialize with others, keeping that 6 feet of distance. We don't want to see anyone that has to quarantine or isolate, that 10-day period for isolation or 14-day period for quarantine right before the Thanksgiving holiday and not get to spend that time with friends and family. At the same time, we're going to be opening up some testing capabilities for individuals across campus, faculty, staff, and students. So in the next coming weeks, we'll have some information around how you might be able to sign up for a test prior to going home at the end of the semester. And so with that, we want you to be able to get tested so that you know you can go home safely and make sure you spend that time with your loved ones. So thank you for all that you're doing to keep us safe here at campus and keep your friends and family safe at home.